Hello again, boys and girls. I wanted to introduce you to another favorite character. Remember Piggy and Gerald? This is another friend. You probably remember seeing him on the end pages. Remember we would see the pages and I would say, look, this is another character by Willems. This is Pigeon. I'm going to read you a book about Pigeon. And it's going to be in English this time. Pay attention. And then I'm going to show you how to draw him. The title of the story is The Pigeon Wants a Puppy. Words and pictures by Willems. There's Pigeon. He says, I really do. I really do. I wonder what he's talking about. The pigeon wants a puppy. Look at this long list. This reminds me of a Christmas list that we would get to Santa. Here are the end pages. Here's Pigeon. The box. The pigeon wants a puppy. Oh, hello. How are you? Remember the speech bubbles? I'm fine. Thanks for asking. By the way, do you know what I want? I don't know what he wants. Do you know what he wants? Let's see, maybe we'll find out. What I've wanted forever? I don't know. At least since last Tuesday. I wonder what he wants. A puppy! Puppy, puppy, puppy! A puppy? Oh, don't worry. I'll take care of it. I promise I'll water it once a month. Water a puppy? We water plants, but I don't think we water a puppy. We give him water to drink. What? Everybody knows that puppies need plenty of sunshine and water. Yeah, but I think plants need plenty of sunshine and water. I think Pigeon's confused. Oh, I get it. You don't want me to be happy, do you? Look at that face. You don't want me to take a piggyback ride on my puppy. A piggyback ride on a puppy? Or play tennis with it? You just don't understand. I'm a puppy-loving pigeon. Ah, puppies. I want a puppy right here, right now. When my girls were little, they kept asking me for a puppy over and over and over. And we finally got Chloe. She was a puppy when we bought her. Woof! What's that? Woof, woof! Is it possible? Have my dreams come true? Woof! Ah! It's huge! The teeth, the hair, the wet nose, the slobber, the claws. I mentioned the teeth, right? Really? I had no idea. Look how big a puppy is. I've changed my mind. He's big. I want a walrus. Isn't a walrus bigger than a puppy, boys and girls? Now here it says, he wants a walrus. Do you think he would really want a walrus when he saw it? Yes or no? Okay, boys and girls, I'm going to show you how to draw Pigeon. He's one of my favorite characters and he's so easy to draw. Even Mrs. Salazar can draw him. Watch carefully. I'm going to show you on my whiteboard. I'm going to set it right here. First, you draw a circle for his head. I'm going to do the best that I can, just like I want you to always do. And then a rectangle for his neck, a line, and then a curve to finish off his body. Then his legs, and his feet. And then here we're going to draw another circle for his eye, and then another circle on the inside. This is supposed to be black, but I'm using one marker, one color today. And then we have to give him his beak. I'm just kind of looking at the book. It's coming around. And then on his neck, he's got this little white, I don't know what that is actually. And then we're going to draw his feathers. Let's see. Go down like this, and then up like this, and down again, and curve up. And then the other one looks like this, this, and up. Now we draw Pigeon. Let's write his name. Pigeon. Remember, we're using blue because this is an English word. Pigeon. Pigeon. So, I'm going to give him one big speech, but actually I'm going to write the words first. In this book he says, I want a puppy. And then this is the speech bubble. Okay, there's Pigeon saying, I want a puppy! Exclamation point. Now, if you decide to draw a pigeon and a speech bubble and him saying something, ask your mom to send it to me in a picture on Class Dojo. Bye, boys and girls.